Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another palette review, and this is a palette that I've been holding on to for quite some time now. It's not a new palette, it's pretty old, but I still wanted to go over it with you guys. I wanted to do a first impression, swatches, and a tutorial. And it is the Morphe 35F Fall to Frost palette, and this is the box that it comes in. I have not opened it. I'm actually quite excited to go over this because I remember when I bought it, which was a while ago, and the palette isn't that expensive. So this is $24 on the Morphe website and Ulta, and I will leave the links in my description below. So let's just get right into it. The packaging is quite simple, just like the other Morphe palettes. I just hate that I get my fingerprints on it right away, but I mean, it is what it is. So let's just go ahead and take a look inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and of course it has this little sheet that has the names on it. So these are the colors. There are 28 shimmery frosty colors and 7 matte colors. So the 7 matte are on the bottom, and then the rest are like a shiny shimmery color, and very nice for fall and or winter. There are some very beautiful colors in here. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some swatches. There are a lot to swatch, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a tutorial for you guys. So I swatched them 2 rows at a time because there are just so many colors to go over. So you do get 35 colors with this, and the shimmers glide on so nicely. They look so pretty. I love the color range that we have here. There are some beautiful golds, some nice coppery colors, and there are definitely so many cranberry colors. They have a good range of that deeper red, purpley type of colors, and a beautiful gold, and I love the white frosty color as well. And you get your nice browns as well. Talking about the browns, the matte colors, they're not as pigmented as the shimmery colors, and especially these colors on my skin tone, it's harder to see them. Still, I feel like they will work really well because sometimes using them with a brush gives you a different result. I've noticed that with my other Morphe palettes, the brush works just fine for pigmentation for these shadows. I do like the black color. Even though it's not a true dark matte, it is a color that you can build up, which is great, especially for people who are starting out experimenting with eyeshadow looks. This is a great black to go with because you can always build the color up based on what you want. To me, this palette looks like if you're looking for a good set of shimmery colors, especially fall colors, these are so pretty and so perfect for that. Now let's go ahead and get right into a tutorial. I am kind of leaning towards the cranberry colors because there are so many to choose from. As you can see, my lids are already prepped and ready to go. I've already primed them and I've already set them. But if I do want to set them, I could go in with this color right here. But I think as far as setting, I'm pretty much set. I'm going to take this color right here, which is Hazel. I will leave all the details and the information in my description below as far as what colors I'm using. First, I'm going to go ahead with Hazel and deepen my crease up a little bit. I love this brush by Cairo. It is the E31, and it really covers a good portion of your lid, and because they're so big and fluffy. So I love to take this into my crease because I kind of want a little bit right below my brows and a little bit on the lid, but mainly on the crease. So I worked that right into my crease just to give it a little bit of definition. I do believe that it does have pigment, but I did have to go into it a few times to get it. But then again, it is pretty much closer to my skin tone color, so it's harder for the pigmentation to show maybe. But I see a little bit of pigment, so that's good. Now I'm going to go into the color Fortune to deepen up that crease a little bit more. I love how that deepened it up a little bit more, and that was only one coat. And I like how that looks. I'm going to try a little bit of a halo eye and go more towards a cranberry look. So I'm going to go into this color right here, Intuition. It's a deeper purple color, and put those on my outer and inner corners. I'm just taking a little bit of that and just wrapping it right over and just leaving this part empty. Now for the center part, I'm going to go into this color right here, which is Belladonna, and put that right into the center of my lid where I left the space. Now I'm going to go back into that deeper purple again, which is Fortune, and just kind of blend it in so that everything is kind of blended in nicely, so it looks a little bit more seamless. I'm just blending in the edges so that it doesn't look so harsh. And I'm using a light touch to do that. I'm sorry, the color that I just used was Intuition, not Fortune. I'm actually going to go into Fortune right now and just clean out my crease again. I think that's all I want to do for the top lid. I do see a little bit of a fallout, just a tad bit, nothing too crazy. I think the pigmentation is actually really great. I haven't used a spray for it. I didn't use my fingers to apply it. So with the brush, the shimmery colors did show up pretty well. So I do like how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and finish off my top lid with some eyeliner and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that I have my top lid done, I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lid. So I'm thinking of going into the inner part of my bottom lid with the color Belladonna right here, the pink that I used for my lid for the center. I'm going to go right in here with that. Just the inner part right there. Nothing too crazy. Now I'm going to lightly go into my outer bottom lid right here with the grayish black color Obsidian. I like to hold my palette up high so my eyes are looking up too, so I can get a lot of that lid space, just like how I like to hold my palette down when I do my top lid to get the lid space up there. I'm keeping most of the black out here, and then I'm just lightly brushing it right in the center where the other color meets, just to diffuse it a little bit. I'm going to go into this gold color right here, Cairo, and put that right into my inner corner so that can brighten my entire look all together. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it does give me a nice little glow into my inner corner. For my brow bone, I'm going to use the color Chiffon right here and make my brows glow. I'm so excited. I do want to add some mascara to my bottom lashes, so I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal Butterfly Sculpt Mascara in black. I do kind of like the lip color I have on right now, which is the Noisette color in Jour. I think that's how you say it. So that's this color right here. But I don't know if I want to make it a little bit more red. I'm going to go into this Carroty Lip Lock color in Soho and see how that works for me. Okay, so that just turned my whole look around from what I had before. I actually liked both lips, but I do like how this looks. It's a little bit more on the vampy side, but I do like it a lot. So my overall opinion about this palette is that it's a really, really nice palette. I love that it has so many shimmery colors to choose from. It's great for an overall lid, it's great for a halo eye, and any other kind of lid look that you're looking for. I know a lot of palettes come with more mattes than shimmers, but I do love to have a shimmery palette for those kind of looks. The color range is great, especially for fall, since this is a fall palette. The matte shadows, they are pigmented. I do want to say that I do think that the pigmentation wasn't as great on me because of my skin tone. The black actually is pretty pigmented, and more than the swatching, when I went into it with a brush, I felt like it gave me so much pigment and it did give me a nice payout. As far as fallout, just a little bit, just like any other shadow, there was just a tad bit of fallout, which wasn't bad at all. I am kind of excited to use the darker silvery type of colors too, just to see what kind of looks I can come up with those. So this was a good purchase, so I'm happy I have this, and I'm happy I finally got to review it for you guys, because I've been holding on to this for so long and I haven't been using it, so now I can actually go ahead and use it. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed my look. Leave a comment below letting me know what other looks you want me to do. Also, if you like this look, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! I have a lash in my eye.